Club. Today we are going to complete this wrecking ball animation rigid body. So today we are going to add the materials and the lightning. Let's go to render view mode and then Shift A, adding lightning, sun. Grab it and then go to top view, R to rotate, R, and then scale it up, R again. Make it you can use any light, but for me I'm going to use sun. Go to light, let's do it 10, and then Shift D, we will add another light, R to rotate. This will be 5. Let's just grab it for a bit. So, and then let's add a camera. Control Alt 0 and then N, view, lock camera to view. So now we can adjust our camera. Let me just zoom in like this. So now let me just adjust it. I think right about there. Let's just play it and see. So now you can scale your camera if you think it's very small. So now select your cube, go to materials, add a new material, and then we're going to take image texture. Let's go to Google. So let's search wood texture. So we will see lots of image texture. We want a light wood, right, like these. So I think I'm going to take the best quality. Let's take this one. Or you can use any color or any wood texture you want. So let's just save it. Pictures, then wood, enter. And let's go to open, pictures, wood. So now we have it. Let's just select the other boxes and everything. We don't want the light. Why it is selecting? So now let's hold Control L, materials. So now also the plane has a material. For now we don't want for the plane. Let's just select only the plane and then minus. So now we have the bricks colored. Let's just color the let's just now color the chain. I think we will take let's take metal coat hex. So let's go to all, and then we can see there are a lot of textures. Let's take this one and then go up here, select your wrecking ball, new, hex, and then paste it. We can see. Let's make the metallic full one. Now we can see it's metal. Let's make the roughness like this. So, and then actually I did not like it. Let's take another color. It's very dark. So let's take a we can take a bronze color. Let's take bronze or gold. Bronze. Bronze is much better. Bronze. Let's take this one. I always like search on Google. You can make your colors here also. I will show you how. If I am going to add a new and then select my color, this one, make the metallic one. Now I made a gold. So we can make the roughness 0. It will be glass, but we don't want that. Let's add a roughness almost like this, and then the color fully white. That's cool. So I'm going to make it a bit dark, almost about there. Let's add this scratch bronze. It's going to be cool. Scratched bronze. Let's take this code. It's just that I just copied the name, so I'm just going to delete it. Copy it, go to Blender, go here, hex code, paste. Yes, this color is good, but it's green. Let's take a dark. Yes, this color is beautiful, but this one is better. So now let's select the other chains with box select, and then shift the wrecking board. Control L, materials. Now we have it. Now we want to add a material for the plane. We want a let's take a marble texture. We want a texture. So we have lots of images. We can take any high resolution. So I'm going to find a picture and show you it. So still I did not find it, so I'm going to texture tiles. So yes, here it is. Tiles. Marble tiles. Let's see which one is much better than the other. Actually, I liked this one. We are going to do some UV editing. Let's just rename marble. Then just select our plane. Go here, image texture, open. Let's go to pictures. I saved in pictures. So we can see it's like this. Let's go to UV editing. Select your plane. Then select everything. If we are going to do it like this, you will see a beautiful tiles. So when we are going to go to layout, you can see it's very beautiful. So now we are going to go to cycles, because cycles it's much better than EV. I am going to show you an example. Oops, what happened? Everything broke apart. I hate this. I don't know why this happens in Blender every time. So I'm just going to pause and just going to do everything again. So now I made everything again. I just added physics tab again. If you have the same problem, go to the start of the video and see it again. I don't know why Blender always have this problem, so I hope that they fix it. So let's continue. Now we have finished our simulation. So I'm just going to pause here. Going to make the camera right about there, and then I will show you the difference between cycle and Eevee. You can see we have lots of light here and shadow, but when we go to Eevee, you can see it's very boring scene, nothing interesting. So I'm going to use GPU, and then go to render image, or the short key F12. So now my rendering is done. I use cycles as I told, and I use denoiser. If you want to use denoiser, then you can just go to the layers properties, scroll down at the end, choose denoiser, and then just render. So let me show you the final animation. So let's just go here so I can show you much better. So it's like this. You can see we added for everything material. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Bye.